Hey guys, this is Misty from Kenny's Collectible. Today we have a new release product. It's the 2015-16 Select Basketball. We are looking at $125 a box, $11 a pack, and you are getting guaranteed 3 autos or memorabilia. Any hits today, you can check them out later on eBay. And I guess it's time to rip. Let's see what we got. Here's the box. Alright, let's see what we got. And Kenny's also here helping me today.
Watching, that is.
Oh, you're going to be helping, so I won't know everybody.
All you need is the main rookies this year.
Kenny's packs.
Porzingis, Towns, Booker. Oh.
Here's what the rookie cards look like. This is Justice Winslow.
Here's a Prism, Amari Stoudemire.
So have a Miles Turner rookie. And we've got the die cut. It'll be Chris Anderson. Did you show a Prism already?
Just a Prism, that's the X Factor.
Okay. Have the X Factor. See how that looks. Brandon Jennings.
Got the first hit.
And a base, just LeBron James. You can see what the base looks like.
Tie-dye with a pinstripe of Rondé Hollis Jefferson.
Nice.
And let's see what the tie-dye is number 2. 4 of 25.
Nice.
Nice hit, nice rookie. And Jabari Parker. That's kind of cool looking card. Tie-dye.
Yeah, it is. I like that.
And it's white, but it's got pinstripe. Kevin, here's what the rookie. Did you show a rookie?
Yes, I sure did.
Miles Turner. I missed that one. Good one.
Yep.
What do you get, Kenny? Here's a. Oh, go ahead.
We have a purple die cut. See how that looks? It's Tyson Chandler, and it's going to be numbered out of 99.
Here's a blue Prism, 66 of 249 of Zach Randolph. And right behind it, one of the big rookies, Karl Anthony Towns.
I like that purple.
Yeah, that is.
Of course I like the purple.
Of course, yes. The purple ripper. Another good rookie, Okafor, Jadeo Okafor.
Kelly Oubre?
Yeah, Oubre. RJ Hunter rookie. And we got another hit, a throwback hit of Gerald Green. It's numbered 98 of 149. Blue jersey. Oh, I'm sorry, purple jersey. I said blue. That is because it's Phoenix. Who was he? Oh, Corey Bruce. That's kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
What do they call that?
Stanley Johnson.
That's kind of like a Mojo Prism. That might be what it's called. I have to look it up.
LeBron James Prism.
Rookie Jarrell Martin. Got your Ginobili on. Emmanuel Mudiay, and that's a Prism rookie, actually. So I'll put a Prism there. Okay, I got the 2 relics, so
I've got to get the
you got the auto. You got the auto. I got color. Got an orange Prism, an Omar Ashik, 46 of 60. Omia Ashik.
All right, looks like I might have. I do not have the hit yet, surprisingly.
Which one is that?
I've had one of those already.
Yeah.
A couple of
Oscar
those.
Robertson. Oh, a big O. Oscar Robertson. Old school. Oh, there you go.
You got the hit yet?
No. Rookie Nemanja Bjelica. You got me on that one. Say that name twice.
No, thank you.
Uh-oh.
You got the hit?
It's numbered. That's interesting, too. And it is Frank Kaminsky auto. Rookie auto. Nice. And it's numbered. Oh, so that's what it's numbered to. 36 of 49.
Nice.
Very nice. Frank Kaminsky.
Emmanuel. How do you say this one again?
Monday.
Monday. I love them. And that's it, folks. Check out these hits again later on eBay. Thank you.